Stock investing for beginners. How Elon Musk and Donald Trump almost crashed the stock market. That's what I'm going to talk about today. And what happened last week and what could happen this week. Stock market was down 2.19% over the past 5 days. And Nasdaq also down 2.22%. Dow Jones also down 2.25%. Oh, it's supposed to be bullish, right? December. Usually around Christmas time, stock market could a little bit pull back. It's pretty normal. But this year, because of the new president coming, there are a lot more uncertainty. So stock market is a little bit more nervous than compared to previous year, last year. But it stayed up 1 month, now it's down 4.24%. But year to date, it stayed up 13.59%. It's pretty good. And Nasdaq, 1 month is up 2.72%. And year to date, it's up 32.55%. Very good. It's better than real estate. 1 month, 0.94% down. Year to date, it's up 25.05%. Real estate is only up for 3 to 5%. Now, stock market is much better. Investing in stock market can be much better. So, what caused stock market to pull back on Wednesday, December 18, 2 p.m.? Look at that. It jumped again on Friday. Friday, it was up over 1%. And Nasdaq, look at that. Same way, it was down on Wednesday. Then after that, it went back up. The Dow Jones, the same thing. It was down, then it went back up. Something happened. That was Federal Reserve Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell cut the interest rate by 0.25% in December. But he said that next year, instead of 4, they expect to cut only 2. And one market expect 4 cuts, and you only give them half. That surprised the stock market. Stock market, when they are surprised, they either go up or they either go down. In this case, they went down because the lower the interest rate, the better it is for the stock market. Why? Because small companies, they need to borrow money from banks. So if interest rates are high, it's really bad for the small companies. Big companies, they don't need to borrow money from the banks. Then it's okay for them, not the small companies. So small caps went down much more than that. And also, 10-year treasury went up because he said that 10-year treasury went up. Usually, stock market this time doesn't like bond yield goes up. Look at that. On December 18, it was only 4.38. Before that, 17, around 4.3. Yeah. Now it went up to 4.538. It's quite a jump. So that happened, and that's why stock market was down. Then by Friday, it went back up because there was a good PCE number. Look at PCE Friday. PCE 0.1%, forecasted 0.2%, better than expected. Year over year, 2.4% compared to 2.5%, better than expected. Core PCE 0.1 versus forecast 0.2%, better than expected. Year over year, 2.8 versus 2.9%, better than expected. So that's why it went up. Like I said last week before, the stock market could move on Wednesday and Friday. Yeah, it did. FOMC meeting, Jerome Powell, Wednesday down, Friday it went back up. Yeah, GDP doesn't really impact the stock market a lot. If you notice that it didn't move on Thursday. So how about this week? This week is holiday week. So yeah, there's some data coming out, but it's not gonna impact the stock market so much. Christmas, yes. Trade balance, yeah, nothing much. We take inventory. So this week may be quiet. And last week I predicted the stock MU. I predicted that it would be most likely gonna be up, but it went down. But I predicted that the NAS most likely gonna went down, and it went down. And ACM, I said it could go up. It went up. FedEx, it went up. CCA, it went up. Like I said before, I predicted 5 stocks. I chose 5 stocks. I made a prediction of 5 stocks, and 4 of them got it right. So in trading or in investing, just invest in great companies. You don't have to be right all the time because they are most likely going to go up. Their direction is most likely up. In trading, if you get it right more than you get it wrong, and also you make more money when you're right than when you're wrong, then you will be profitable, right? Sometimes you don't even have to be more right than wrong. You can be more wrong than right, and you can still make money when you make more amount of money on your right decision, right? So that's very important in trading and investing. So that's why I also invest, I also trade, because I know that investing over a long term, I will be right if I invest in great companies. Over a short term, I like to make some predictions for fun, trade. Yeah, when my predictions are right, I make money. And now, why the stock market could almost crash? Elon Musk and Trump, because the government shutdown. Government shutdown. President Joe Biden signed it. Yeah, finally they resolved it over the Saturday, so that was good. Stock market was a little bit nervous because of that, but I don't think it's gonna impact the stock market too much, depending on how long the shutdown gonna take place, and depending on how serious that is. Government President Joe Biden approved it, includes 100 billion in disaster aid and 1-year firm bail, but it did not include a debt limit extension demanded by President-elect Donald Trump. Shutdown crisis, yeah, it's already passed. Good, happy holidays, everybody goes back home. And yeah, they still include everything like disaster relief, yeah, that's good. Eliminates the accelerated pathway to a tax cut for billionaires, that's also good. Will ensure the government can continue to operate at full capacity, yeah. So happy holidays, everybody goes back home. And so what could cause it? Because Elon Musk protested a spending bill, do not sign whatever. He encouraged the Republicans to protest. So because there is a clause in the spending bill that prohibits American investment into China, especially technology. So Elon Musk has factories in China. So when you have a factory, he most likely gonna have to export some technology to China, like full self-service technology. See, a quarter of companies will come from China. Yeah, as a shareholder, as a owner of the Tesla company, Elon Musk is right to protest, to protect shareholders' interests. Musk has battery and solar panel factories, yeah, that are not in China. So he's most likely going to export battery and solar panel technology to China as well, full self-service technology. So he protested that. Oh, you have to eliminate that. You have to eliminate that phrase that prohibit export of U.S. technology into China. Yeah, but as an American, normal people, normal public, it's not good, right? Because you are exporting American technology to China. Yeah, see? U.S. research outbound investment in China scrapped from temporary spending bill, but Elon Musk got what he wanted. So initially, stop investing in China, especially technology. Now it's gone. So that means that Elon Musk can invest the technology, can invest his Tesla factories, export American technology to China. So what do you think? Do you support Elon Musk, or do you support Donald Trump? Or do you think it's a wrong move for the American government, American people? Comment down below. If you want to learn more about stock investing, option trading, advanced option trading, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll also give you some of the useful link that you can open an account. If you use the link, it's gonna be really great for you you can get a free stock as well. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Yeah, you can go to YouTube if you want YouTube. My channel, go for it. Look for my channel like this one. YouTube.com. Master rich stock option. Yeah, go to playlist, and then you can find gold investing, advanced option trading, forex trading, bond investing, and go for like my favorite stock. You can look for my favorite stock. I predicted Nvidia will be the top stocks for 2023. It more than 10 times since I'm prediction. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.